again the phallus, entering the egg. But it is also about physics, like they have the inner and outer circle, and it depicts Earth and Moon. This line right here would point to the Northern Star, and it is in the north, very north, on our world. And it's just this coastline down here. Yeah. In the high north. So this one looks like Russia, Finland, Sweden, Norway. Am I correct? And this is all the way all around it? Well, that's what they meant by north. So here we got the Silver Gate on the other side of the ecliptic and the line of the sun forming around the Earth. And this is in the Gulf of Mexico. Here is Bermuda, Florida, and here you have Mexico. Can you see my arrow? You got these stars depicting the way all around the coastline. So of course the biggest one had to be first. The stars up in the sky were first, and then it got a useful usage, and then maybe they also started rebuilding these things in architecture, like the cities and the places on Earth, and they're linked again, so that you have this very funny thing happening, that all the ancient pyramids and sacred places also are all on a line, like Mecca and pyramids and Machu Picchu and stuff. So that would be the second step they do, and then it would be they create amulets or products like this, where you get their symbols on it again as a brand. And probably the sun as the moon. Sun has 12 as number and moon 13. The Asians have a moon calendar. So somehow these do procreate and renew themselves by themselves. So maybe also that one was what the Phoenicians liked quite a bit. Why they took the sun and made it so popular. Not just because it is the hero on Earth, guiding plant life and even our sleep and daytime rhythm. It's all triggered by the sun. Also vitamin D, and by that melatonin, and then the capacity to sleep properly, and the structure of the bones, making it real hard. That's all the sun's doing. Yeah. And the sphere isn't a platonic body, but all the platonic bodies, they fit into a sphere. I was saying it wrong beforehand. I said they fit into a cube, but of course they fit into a sphere. Yeah. But still, this tetrahedron, that's exactly what Buckminster Fuller did with his triangles, building these real strong architectural domes, forms that were stronger than a cube. A cube isn't strong. So, yeah, there is different and other things one could go and look at when discussing the elite symbology, but we can end by saying that there is physics as it is, the Fibonacci row of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 11, and so on. So 5 and 8 equals 13, and 13 and 8 equals 21. Sorry, 11 isn't in there. So that's just growth in nature. When something grows, you can put these numbers on top of it and you can see the spatial proportions of that growth. And also by this is the golden mean. So that's physics, and somehow the material world, the physical world, being the stars so bright up there, they take it as a, signaling light for their sea travel. And then also, once they have figured, geometrically you can create a dot, a line, a triangle, a cube, and a 5 and a 6-pointed star with a ruler and another tool you need to do that. This one, you go rounds. So from number 7 on, you can't do it anymore. So they call the number 7 holy. That's just what you find in the tarot cards. So when it has no practical meaning anymore and you just put fantasy stories onto the stuff, that's when it's esoterics nowadays. I've made a video about it, like ranting on the elite giving us esoterics as a other religion besides the religions leading and also selling to us the leader, so that we would accept a leader in real life just as easy as in religion.